Oh, we've got a world map on. How close we should be?
Yep, that's about it.
Yep.
Okay.
大家好，欢迎收看这一节有关于身体的课程。我叫魏。
And I'm Dr. Peter.
Dr. Peter， 我看你给我们今天的观众准备了很多内容，那我们将学习些什么呢？
Well, Wei, this is a very general lesson about body parts, mainly on the trunk.
哦，听起来好像大象 ，Dr. Peter。
It does. Actually, there are different trunks. There's an elephant trunk, a big box, a car boot in USA, and swimming clothes. They're all trunks. But this is a different trunk. The main part of the body is called the trunk, also called the torso.
Torso 躯干。
Maybe when talking to patients we keep it simple and just say the body.
好啦，树干 trunk， 躯干 torso 都是比较正规的表达方式，适合医生和医护人员使用。
Correct. Well, let's start here.
Dr. Peter， 我们是从蚂蚁这里开始吗？
Well, patients have no idea what a thorax is, but in school they have all learnt that an ant has a head, thorax and abdomen.
这很有意思。
Now, first of all, let's talk about the skeleton.
Skeleton 骨架。
Our word map helps us learn words to do with the skeleton, and let's read them. Skeleton.
Skeleton 骨架。
Bony skeleton.
Bony skeleton.
Skeletal.
Skeletal.
Skeletonize.
Skeletonize.
Bare bones.
Bare bones.
A skeleton in the closet.
A skeleton in a closet.
Skeleton staff.
Skeleton staff.
And framework.
And framework.
So, skeletonize.
这是一个动词，但是这是什么意思呢？
Well, I think every surgeon knows that they don't want to do this. It means to trim tissue from, for example, an artery, just leaving the artery with nothing to stitch to.
好的。
Now, bare bones, this refers to the very minimum of something. For example, the bare bones of a car would be a frame, wheels, and engine without a body.
一辆汽车的躯体就像人体一样。
We use similar words. Now, skeleton staff.
听起来好像骷髅们在办公室工作。
Actually, it means the bare minimum of staff.
Bare minimum 是指最低的限度，最少的。那你怎么会使用这个词呢？
Okay, so over the Christmas and New Year holidays, everybody is away and the office is run by a skeleton staff.
就是说，最低限度的工作人员来管理办公室，对吗？
Exactly. Now, moving on, we have 3 people who deal with bones: an orthopedic surgeon, a rheumatologist, and a non-doctor, a chiropractor.
整形外科医生是不是有一个简写的形式呢 ，Dr. Peter？
Well, you're right, Wei. We say orthopod. For example, our registrar might say, Mr. Jones has a fractured arm from a car accident. We'll call the orthopods to have a look. Now, here are the words for parts of the trunk. Let's go through them one by one.
One by one 是不是和 one after the other 相同的意思呢 ，Dr. Peter？
Correct, Wei. Now, let's see. Neck.
Neck.
Cervical spine.
Cervical spine.
Collarbone.
Collarbone.
Clavicle.
Clavicle.
Shoulder joint.
Shoulder joint.
Upper arm humerus.
Upper arm humerus.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Forearm.
Forearm.
Radius and ulna.
Radius and ulna.
Spine.
Spine.
Vertebra.
Vertebra.
sacrum,
sacrum,
pelvis,
pelvis,
bony pelvis,
bony pelvis,
hip joint.
hip joint.
Patients and non-medical people often use words which we think are not accurate, such as hip, meaning the top of the leg. We must know these alternatives to be able to communicate properly.
Alternative 是不是指不同的方式来描述事物呢？
All right, and we don't want to be ambiguous.
Ambiguous 就是双关语。
Right. Now, the other set of words. Manubrium,
柄骨、
sternum,
胸骨、
rib cage,
肋骨、
costal cartilage,
肋软骨、
spine equals vertebrae,
颈椎椎体、
coccyx,
尾骨、
pubic bone.
耻骨。Dr. Peter， 你没有提到身体的轮廓。
That's right. Why, I forgot. What is the body outline, do you think?
应该像沿着身体的表皮画出一个轮廓，对吗？
Good. It is a line on the outside of, in this case, the body.
还有其他的轮廓吗？
Well, there are a way. You could have an outline of a talk. This video, for example, you could ask, Dr. Peter, can you give me an outline of your talk so I know what topics I will have to translate?
在这里 outline 纲要是指涉及的主题，没有细节。
That's it. We have a body outline with no details.
现在我们这节课的内容将结束了，但如果你有兴趣的话，请访问我们的网站 www.yiliaoyingyupod.com， 有关于关节炎、MRI 和髋关节置换的话题。网站上你可以免费加入，并开始与我们一起学习医疗英语吧。
Well, good luck with learning medical English. Bye now from me, Dr. Peter.
我们下期见，再见。
Bye.
Bye.